Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Steph, and she's come in for a infill today. So it's just a basic infill on these baby boomers. They have been on for 4 weeks. She had them done because she was a bridesmaid for a wedding in Santorini. So she's back now and she wants just exactly the same. So we're just going to fill them in to make them lovely and fresh again. So here I'm just removing the top coat with my Efile. So then with that same drill bit, this drill bit is extremely blunt. I've had it for so long and like it barely does anything. So this is my perfect bit to removing any tiny bits of lifting that Steph has on her nails. I just file on the lifting and it literally just pops off. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'll do that to all the nails. So then I push back all her cuticles and come in with my cuticle bit and remove very gently all her dead cuticles that are on her nail. So then I come in with my sanding band and I'll just remove the surface shine. I'm barely putting any pressure on here. I'm just using a very light hand. I do have it on setting 2, so it's not even on high at all, and I'm literally just tickling her nail. So then I removed the dust, I applied dehydrator and primer twice, and now I'm going in with application. So I'm using my CJP size, well, big boy brush and Slush Fairy, and I'm basically just infilling all the nails, so simple, with one bead. That is all you need. And yes, I'm just going to let you watch it because there's nothing really more I can say. So once everything is set, I then come in with my hand file and I'll perfect the shape. She didn't want any length taken off, so I'm just filing the sidewalls and getting that nice sharp point back. And then I come in with my Efile and just whiz over the top, make sure that cuticle area is lovely and flush and everything is lovely, smooth and even. I then buff her nails all smooth. She goes and gives them a good scrub with some soap and water, and we're ready for top coat. So now I'm going in with my top coat. I'm using CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss as usual. I do have other top coats, but this one just always, I know it's good, so I always reach. It's the first thing I reach for. The other ones I'm like, what if it stains? What if it goes matte? Like, I know this one is good, so I'm always going to stick with it, I think. So I apply a nice thin layer of that over all the nails, curing my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. Do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one.